What's up, adventurers? Time goes by really quickly. Today is our last day here in Korça. Tomorrow we head to Tirana. And we've been saying now for quite some time, we wanted to go on a specific hike trail here in Korça and find the big cross at the top of the hill. So that's what we're doing today, and we're going to take you guys along with us. Let's go.
This hiking trail starts off pretty steep. I don't know if you can see that here behind us. We came from down there and it was already pretty steep, and it's gonna continue steep, right, Luke?
Yeah, I'm already dying. So it's pretty warm today as well. I think it says 19-ish, but it already feels hot because of how steep this is, and I'm dying, and that's why we have this water with us. We came prepared.
But this hike is probably going to be a little bit challenging, but we're gonna see what way it goes and just take you on the journey with us. By the way, guys, we are about 90 subscribers away from hitting the 1K subscriber mark. That was our goal before we leave Albania.
Yeah.
So if you want to support us, go ahead. I'm sorry, I'm so out of breath.
Go ahead. Hit that red subscribe button, guys.
Let's go.
Okay, so this is pretty much the starting point for us. I hope you can see this now, just off in the distance. This is where we're heading. We're heading to this big white cross, and there's also a pretty large church that seems to be relatively close by. So check this out. Way off there in the distance, that's the destination. So follow us along, let's go. It should take us maybe 1 hour, 1 hour up and 1 hour down. It says a little bit more on Google Maps, but we're going to try and keep it moving because the sun sets here at the moment in Korça around 6:30 in the evening time, and right now I think it's coming up to 3 o'clock right now. So let's see what happens, guys. We're going to try and make it up, make it back, bring you guys with us, and then go and grab a bite to eat as well.
By the way, so far we only saw cars coming our way up and down. We didn't see a single person that is attempting to do this hike, so I think it has a reason.
It's usually exactly what happens with us. We did the same thing when we were in Croatia. We did a bunch of hikes to different spots in Croatia and Montenegro as well, and each time all we see is cars. Get out of your car, get on foot, let's go.
Let's earn it. We made about 1 kilometer or maybe 2 progress so far, but now you do get a better view of the street that we are going to hike up. So check this out. Wait, zoom in a little bit. There. So we're gonna walk all the way here, then to the left, and then up there, whoop, to the cross.
So we just saw a sign there saying La Montaña, 1.5 kilometers. So we've another 1.5K to go to the top, and then we'll slowly start to make our descent down back into the center of Korça and grab some food.
I know 1.5 kilometers doesn't sound like a whole lot, but this is now where the difficult part of this path, of this hike, is going to start. Check it out. So from now on, we just have those windy streets up the mountain.
Right, guys, so we're making some progress. It's starting to get steeper here, if you can see directly beside me, and we have an absolutely beautiful view of Korça just behind me, so, or sorry, in front of me, so check this out. So we're going to continue now, make some more progress. Hopefully we will be arriving soon at our destination of the big white cross and the church. Just to give you guys as well a little bit of an update of the situation for us. We're leaving Korça tomorrow. We're heading to Tirana. We're for 2 days, for 2 nights. We're going to make another video in Tirana for you guys. It's where our whole Albanian trip began, was in Tirana around 3 months ago. We've been to maybe 16 or 17 different places in Albania since then, and it was an absolutely amazing experience. Sadly, it's coming to an end now, so we're going to make our way back to Tirana, where it all began. Spend 2 days there, make a nice video, make a farewell video from Tirana, and then it's off to Mexico for us. First stop though after Tirana is going to be Spain. We're going to arrive in Barcelona on the 5th of October. Spend 3 days in Spain. We're going to be 1 day in Barcelona, 2 days in Madrid, and then it's a direct flight from Madrid all the way out to Cancun. So we're going to take you guys along with us on that as well. So like we were saying earlier, hit that red subscribe button. We're going to have a whole Mexico series for you guys. We're going to be doing some pretty cool things over there. And yeah, more adventures to come. For now, I'm running out of breath. So is Naomi.
I can no more.
We are making progress though. I can see we maybe have another half a kilometer or so to go to the top, so let's go. Keep soldiering on. We're nearly there. Alright guys, so we pretty much made it up here to the top, and there's a restaurant here just at the top that's called La Montaña, which translates into the mountain, obviously, and it looks absolutely spectacular. It's like this large green building, and you have this amazing view over the mountains. Just check this place out. You can see all the way out there over the mountainscape. So very interesting. Very glad to have found this. Very glad to have actually done this hike on our last day before we leave Korça, because the views around here are something else. Gives you a different perspective altogether of Korça and of the surrounding areas. Made it up to the very top, and up here at the top there's a couple of very interesting things. We obviously have the large white cross, which we'll get to. There's also a church here. We think it is Greek Orthodox, possibly, based off of the scripture that's here at the front, and very old. You can tell just by looking here from the outside how old this church is, so check it out. just as you exit this church, you have an amazing view. Absolutely breathtaking. Just check this out.
This church and mountaintop is just absolutely stunning. And to be honest, when you are up here, you do get like a very calm, peaceful vibe. So like you can just be here and it's completely quiet. There's literally no one at this church. If you go over to the cross, you will have some people, or you will find some people. But right here, right now, it's just beautiful. We're gonna make our way down to the cross now. The funny thing is, always when we were in Korça, we kind of assumed that this was the highest point around here because it has a cross. But being at the cross, you can actually see that all of the mountains around here are a lot higher. Check this out. The mountaintops over there are way higher than where we were at.
Okay, so we're going to slowly make our way down from our destination because it's around 5 o'clock now, 5 p.m. and it's going to start getting dark soon. So the last thing that we want is to be up here with no street lights and have to walk in the darkness all the way back down. So we're going to slowly make our way back down towards Korça center, and then we will close out this video. It's kind of strange to be making the final video of Korça after being here for over a month. We've been here for 5 weeks now. A little bit emotional.
Yeah.
So we're going to be saying goodbye to Korça first thing tomorrow morning. Really, we're going to be getting the bus over to Tirana, like I was saying earlier, and yeah, we're going to have maybe one final meal this evening here in Korça. We're going to go to obviously somewhere in the city centre and have ourselves a gyro or whatever we feel like having, and yeah, say our goodbyes.
Maybe another gyro from the unofficial gyro queen Anna Maria.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking. We're thinking of going to Anna Maria. We had a food video. Tourists have fast food, Albanian fast food, and our favourite place was Gyro Anna Maria, which is just in the centre of Korça next to a really nice park. So we think we might go there, have some nice food, and then we'll finish this video. So we just got back here to the center of beautiful Korça. We're going to have our final meal here before we leave. We're very excited to head back to Tirana, to where we started this whole journey. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video, guys.
Thanks so much for watching. Bye.